quick product review. I find myself using this more than I thought I would. I have a food processor, but just for small things. I seen this at Costco. I'm going to make some garlic powder because I'm empty. This at Costco is $5, so I can make a lot of it when I ground it. And I also bought some rosemary, which usually comes like this. But when I'm cooking, I don't like having those tinsels inside, so I made rosemary powder. And that was something I found. But today I'm going to make some garlic powder. You can kind of fit a lot in there, actually. Just going in. It smells so amazing. You just press it. Garlic powder. Works very well. 10 out of 10.
2, 3, 4. Scoop flaxseed. Plug it on, and here we go. Oh my goodness. And voila. My gosh. This is awesome. Wow. Yes, I can recommend this. Well, as you can see, the unit's plugged in, right? And I'm going to work with it, and it's not working. There's nothing. We've taken the beans out, re-put them in. When I'm looking for my order, it states that I'm out of the time limit to replace it. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll tell you, it is February 29th. I ordered this on January 7th, and it was delivered on January 10th. So 6 weeks. I'm out $40, and do not buy this product.
Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and quiet.